the classic print menu. So whenever you're in the software and you want to just print some images up from a patient, you can click on the icon of the printer. This is your Print Classic menu that opens up. And when this menu opens up, you have access to all of the images in the mounts. So you can pull up any mount that you'd like. And you can also pull up any images from the patient's library. So in the bottom left, you would have the patient-specific library. And if you did create any subfolders, they would be there. Or you can access any of the images that you've saved in the biological mounts, which is the way that we prefer you save images. And then your page setup is on the right here. So you can choose to have 1 picture, 2 picture, 3 picture, 6 picture per page, depending on what your print needs will be. You can choose to print with any annotations that you've written on them. So if you have added any kind of annotations, it will print with annotations if you click on the check mark here. You can add some information on the practitioner's name, which would be default if you have that information in the system. And you can also choose how many copies you would like of those pictures. So if you did want to have maybe a set for the insurance company, a set for the patient, a set for the patient's file, you can print as many as you'd like. It's as simple as double clicking on a picture and it will populate the first square. If you wanted to do multiple photos, you could do so. And if you exceeded the 6, it'll just automatically open up a second page. So then it will print out how many ever pictures you'd like. You can mix and match pictures as well by going in here. You can go to your intro camera if you'd like and put some pictures of the individual teeth. And if you wanted to take some x-rays, you could go to your x-rays and double click on an x-ray as well and mix and match. And then you would just hit print. Obviously the printer has to be set up on that station, and it's pretty much that simple.